Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus Property Management showing off 330 Pawtucket Avenue, Unit 4, located in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. This is a second floor apartment, studio apartment, that features one bathroom. Before I begin the walkthrough, I'd like to remind everybody to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel, where you can view this walkthrough at any time, and all news related to real estate and property management. Thank you. So we're going to begin the walkthrough in the studio room, which features a nice carpet flooring along with freshly painted walls throughout the entire apartment. Plenty of outlets in here and very spacious. Should be able to fit plenty of furniture in here, along with a nice little closet space for extra storage. Whatever needs necessary, you need to go in here. And over here are the nice bay windows that outlook onto the street, along with the gas baseboard heat, which is also featured in the apartment. And once again, plenty of outlets, plenty of room. You can put whatever you would like in here. There are two entryways to the apartment. One is located over here, and right across is the second entrance. Very nice. All right. And as we walk through here, we will get greeted to the kitchen area, which has this beautiful wood flooring, along with freshly painted walls. Once again, outlets all lining the walls. Plenty of space in here for a dining set if need be, along with another closet space for extra storage. And over here are some more outlets. The room for the dining set if need be. Gas baseboard heater over here. And here is the single bin stainless steel sink, the gas stove, plenty of countertop space and cabinets below and above, and the large size refrigerator. Very nice. And last but not least is the bathroom. And the bathroom has a stand-up shower, along with a nice little sink over here with some cabinet space and the mirror. And as you walk into the bathroom, you will be greeted by the Nexus welcoming package, which I'll show you over here. Very nice. Has all your amenities needed. It's a smaller bathroom, but does house the necessities. Also has a nice tile flooring and, once again, gas baseboard heat. And once again, this is 330 Pawtucket Avenue, Unit 4, located in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Before I leave, I'd like to remind everybody to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel, where you can view this walkthrough and any other walkthroughs of any other listings we have, and any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much.